Yes.
Okay.
So it is the basic, one of the important fundamental principle, and it is accepted by all the sciences and philosophies. So we can say it is like a Sarvatantra Siddhanta. So many things in the creation, including the creation itself, happens due to the cause and effect relationship. This Karyakaran Siddhanta is the backbone principle of not only Ayurveda but all the streams of sciences and philosophies. Darshan Shastras and Ayurveda have mutual impact on each other. One of the theories is Karyakaran Bhav or cause and effect relationship. This theory postulates that no event or karya occurs in the creation without the causative factor. So behind every effect, there is a causative factor. And a karan is inevitably needed for a karya to be accomplished. So this Siddhant plays a pivotal role in analyzing the facts of evolution of the universe. The equal importance has been given for this Karyakaran Siddhant both in Ayurveda and Darshan Shastra. Ayurveda gives a clinical importance. Darshan Shastra have elaborated this Siddhant conceptually in detail, and Ayurveda has given clinical importance to Karyakaran's bhava. It is used in Ayurveda as a strong theory to address many diseases. The knowledge of Karyakaran bhav helps the physician to diagnose the disease, to know the causative factors leading to the manifestation of a disease, and to isolate these factors and plan an effective treatment protocol. So now we will see the dictionary meanings of what is karya, what is karan, what is bhava. So karya is effect, it is result, practiced, performed, etc. And karan, it is cause, reason, instrument, means, motive, principle. These are the synonyms given in the Shabda Kalpadrum. Bhav means, yes?
Ma'am, slides are not changing.
Not changing?
No, ma'am.
But,
Yeah.
can you see it now? It is
Yes, ma'am.
visible?
Now we are in second slide.
Okay.
Yeah, we are in second slide.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So karya is the effect, result, practiced, performed, and karan. The synonyms are given like cause, reason, instrument, means, motive. And this bhav synonyms are given like being, existing, occurring, appearing, turning, or translation into continuance. Hence, karya karan bhav states that karya is going to manifest from the karan, and without karan, karya never manifest. Every karya has karan, and whatsoever the karya may be a karan for the future karya. So we can say karya is the vyakta avastha and karan is the avyakta avastha. Karan, what is karan? So karan is a karya niyata purva vritti karanam. So certain inevitable existence prior to karya is karan.
Ma'am,
Karan,
slides. Madam, slides are not
yes,
changing. Slides are not changing. We are still on second slide.
I don't know what is the problem.
Ma'am, do
Can
one thing,
you?
just exit once and come back. Maybe it will help. Now we are on Karana slide.
Yes.
Yes.
So karyaniyata purva vritti karanam. Inevitable, certain existence prior to karya is karan. एंड कारण अनुरूपम कार्यम, कारण जैसे होता है वैसे ही कार्य होता है. Is it visible, Dr. Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
We will see the examples. So here we can see a garbha. So garbha is karya and karan behind this garbha is Stri Bij and Purusha Bij. Next example, here karya is Mahabhut and karan is Tanmatra or Mahabhut Parmanu. Third example, karya is Dhatu Samya and Pradhan Karan is Vaidya and Apradhan Karan are Aushadha Paricharaka. So here we have seen the examples of Karana and Karya. PPT is visible, Dr. Megha?
Yes, ma'am. Visible. We are on examples for Karana.
Yes, yes. These are the some classical examples given in Darshan Shastras. Here, Karan is trade and Karya is cloth. Karan is Mrutika, Karya is pot. The last example is Karan Jivanu, tuberculosis for tuberculosis, Jivanu, and the Karya is the Vidhi. So, Dosha Vaishamya or Dhatu Vaishamya is Karan and Karya is Vyadhi. Now, the cause is that which invariably precedes effect. The factor which is essentially present before Karya is Karan. So, the definite existing factor prior to Karya is known as Karan.
Ma'am,
Example, thread and weaver both proceeds
Ma'am.
cloth.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
slides.
ma'am, slides are not visible once again.
Apply to all is the option here. So, I don't know. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. But actually, the slides are not changing when you are discussing about that slide.
I don't
So I
know
think so.
what
We are
is
supposed to
happening.
click it so that it goes to the next slide.
Okay. So now I am on this slide Ananyatha Siddha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Karyaniya Purvavritti
ma'am,
Karan.
Karya,
ma'am, can you just click on slide number 3 and 4 because we were not able to take the screenshot of that.
Okay, okay.
The
okay.
synonyms.
Examples or synonyms?
Yeah, synonyms.
Example, ma'am.
Dictionary meanings. These are the dictionary meanings. In Shabda Kalpadrum, the dictionary meanings are given for the Karya, Karana and Bhava. For Karya, effect, result. Can you see this slide now? Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We are on
Yes.
Karya,
Yes,
Karan,
ma'am.
Bhavas.
Karya,
Yeah.
Karana, Bhava. These are the dictionary meanings. Karya for Karana and for Bhava. So can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are on the point Karan first. So Karan, we are, what is the definition of Karan? Karya niyata purvavritti karanam. The certain existence prior to Karya is Karan. Definitely, which is definitely present before Karya is Karan. And second definition is Karana Anurupam Karyam. जैसे कारण होता है वैसे ही कार्य में वो कारण दिखता है. Can you see these examples? Is it visible? Is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the examples I have explained earlier. Does it need to explain again? Garbha is the Karya and Stri Bij and Purush Bij Karana. Mahabhut is the Karya and Dhatu Samya is Karya and Chatushpada Siddhi is Karana. Can you see the next slide? Tantu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So these are the
We are able to-
examples given Darshan Shastras. Tantu is Karya, that is thread is Karan and cloth is the Karya. Clay is Karana and pot is Karya. Jivanu is Karya and Kshayarog is Karya. Now we are on the definition of Karan. Next definition of Karan. Karya Niyata Purva Vritti Karanam. Is it visible? Karya Niyata Purva Vritti Karanam. Can you see this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cause is that which invariably precedes effect. The factor which is essentially present, it is compulsorily present before Karya is Karan. The definite existing factor prior to Karya. So, the examples are thread and weaver, both precedes cloth. Both are cause for the cloth. Thread is also cause for the cloth and the weaver is also the cause for the cloth. But this definition is superfluous. It is ativapta because according to this definition, it is also applicable for father of weaver who were the present while making that cloth will also be the cause for that karya. So we will see the next definition, corrected definition. Ananyatha siddha karya niyata purva vritti karanam. Now what is ananyatha siddha? Karya niyat purva vritti karanam is कार्य के पहले कारण होना जरूरी होता है और जो कारण है वही कार्य में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. But what is ananyatha siddha? So the all factors that exist before karya cannot be considered as karan. So it should possess following three characteristics to be called as karan. Ananyatha siddha, niyatatva and purva vrittitva. If these three characters are present, then only we can say it is the karana of that karya. What are these three characteristics? Ananyatha siddha, niyatatva by one. What is ananyatha siddha? The things which are not directly related to karya utpatti are anyatha siddha. Things which are not directly related to karya utpatti. Is this slide is visible? Ananyatha siddha?
Yes, ma'am.
The factor should be one without which karya cannot take place. For example, many factors exist before making a pot, like the person or animal that carries to the place that we are making the pot, the stick with which the mud is mixed, the potter, will, clay, etc. But except the last three karana, that is potter, will, and clay, these karan have direct relation with preparation of pot. So only those are karan whose absence cannot make the pot. So if potter is absent or will is absent or clay is not there, so we cannot prepare pot. So these three karan are essential. That carrying the clay or the stick for stick is helpful in making a pot. These are the anyatha siddha karan. For this concept, ananyatha siddha, the things which are not directly related to karya utpatti are anyatha siddha. In this example, the person or animal that carries clay or the stick which the mud is mixed are anyatha siddha, and karan should be ananyatha siddha. Will, clay. These are the actual karan are absent, pot cannot be made. Next is niyatatva, invariably. Whenever the karya exists, the karan should. For example, for swastha avastha and atura avastha, for swastha samyak yog of dravya, guna, karma, samanya vishesh, responsible factor, and for atura avastha, as of dravya, guna, karma, samanya vishesh samvay will be responsible. So dhatu samya swastha avastha, dhatu vaishamya vyadhi avastha. So invariably it is always present. This is the swastha avastha, then dhatu samya vyadhi avastha. So dhatu vaishamya will be present invariably. So this is niya tattva of dhatu samya in swastha avastha and dhatu vaishamya in atura avastha. One more example, if malarial fever is considered, then plasmodium is karan for it, and as with it, malarial fever cannot be seen. So it is the invariable reason. Tattva, and third characteristic is purva vrittitva. It should be existent before production of karya. The word purvabhava means happening for universe is full of events. These events take place continuously. But all events cannot be karan. So the most important factor which exists just before karya is called karan. Important karan for pot. Thread is the most important karan for cloth. Should have existence before karya and should be directly related to its utpatti of karya. For example, all dravyas consumed by person get manifested as guna and karma and produce either samanya or vishesh in dhatu samyavastha, which is karya. Samyavastha is karya and dravya, guna, karma, samanya, vishesh, these are the karan. For dhatu purva vritti, this should be present. So we have seen the three characteristics of karma: purva vritti and niyatattva. We will see what are the types of karana. Is this slide visible? According to the Shastra, types of karan.
Yes, ma'am.
There are three types of karan: samavai, asamavai, and nimitta. Samavai is inherent, asamavai is non-inherent. So we will see one by one in detail. Is it visible? Samavai karan? Is this slide visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So samavai karan, yat samavetam karyam utpadyate. Cannot be separated. We will see one example. Shukra shonita jiva sanyoge tu khalu kukshigate garbha saudnya bhavati. Shonit are the samavai karan. Samvai is that in which the effect produced in hers that is intimately connected or identical with it. Dravya is always a Samvai Karan. We will examples. So here thread and cloth. So thread is the Samvai Karan for cloth. Mrutika, clay, is Karan for pot. Stri Bij and Purush Bij are the Samvai Karan for the Nirmiti of Garbha. Tanmatra या Mahabhut Parmanu is the Samvai Karan Utpatti of Mahabhut. So in anatomy, we see the formation of organs. The Vrukka, the Meda and Rakta are the Samvai Karan for the Vruk. Rudhay, Rakta and Kapha, these are the Samvai Karan for Rudhay. In Shadras, Panchamahabhutas, for the formation of Shadras, Panchamahabhutas are Samvai. For Madhura Ras, Prithvi and Jala. Adharma. Adharma is the Moola Karan Utpatti. Adharma. What is Adharma? Can anybody? What is Adharma? You can unmute yourself. Tell me the answer. Adharma. What is our kartavya or with the ethics will sadvrutta ethics, not following sadvrutta or ethics, and it is the roga utpatti. So Samvai Karan, we have seen so many examples. Now we will go for Asamvai Karan. Slide. Can you see
Yes,
this slide?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
असमवायी कारण is that कारण कार्येन कारणेन वासः एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतत्वे सति यत् कारणं तत् असमवायी कारण. Effect. So dravya, we have seen dravya is the samvai karan, gun and karma are the asamvai karan. We will see the examples. It is a cause. Asamvai karan is the cause which is not intimate. Both karya and karana. Cloth, the conjunction of fibers are non-intimate cause. The connection between two fibers to establish a cloth is asamvai karan. Thus, as stated above example, the connecting fiber cloth. For disease condition, conjunction of vitiated doshas with weakened dhatus is asamvai karan. Means sanyoga, sammurchana is the asamvai karan. Dosha, dusha, sammurchana is asamvai karan for vyadhi. Here, tantu sanyog is asamvai karan for cloth. Mruttika sanyog is asamvai karan for the pot. Stri bij and purusha bij sanyog is asamvai karan for garbha. Dosha, dushya, sammurchana is asamvai karan for vyadhi. Here we will see the example of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata, Shita Guna, and due to Shita Guna, Vyadhi is, Lakshana is Stambha. So Shita Guna is present in Karana and Karya. Pitta, due to increase the Ushna and Drava Guna, it leads to Amla Pitta. If someone takes the Ushna Gunatmak Ahara Vihara, it will leads to Amla Pitta. This Ushna Guna resides in Pitta Dosh and also in Vyadhi. The example of Kapha Dosh, if someone is taking Guru Gunatmak Ahar, so it increases the Guru Gun and it will turn into the Gaurav symptom. This gun resides in both Kapha and Gaurava. The third Karan is the Nimitta Karan. It is also called as instrumental or occasional cause. Any cause other than Samavai and Asamavai is Nimitta Karan. Example, the weaving machine. So we see the weaver or thread is a Samvai Karan. Sanyog of that threads a Samvai Karan. And the weaving machine, the instrument is the Nimitta Karan. In Vyadhi, the consumption of Mithya Ahar Vihar, etiological factors which had vitiated doshas and weakened dhatus are the causative factors of the disease and they are called as Nimitta Karan, Mithya Ahar or Mithya Vihar. It helps the Samavai and Asamavai Karan in the production of Karya. After production of Karya, this Karan detach from the Karya. Samsargacha Vyadhi is the best example for Nimitta Karan. And in pandemic, we have seen the COVID, more than 50 to 60% patients were asymptomatic because this virus, bacteria are the Nimitta Karan. These are not the Samvai or Asamvai Karan. These are the Nimitta Karan. Here is the example, shlok is given. Prasangat, Gatra Samsparshat, निश्वासात सहभोजनात सहशय्यासनात वस्त्रमाल्यानुलेपनात कुष्ठ ज्वर शोष नेत्र्याभिषंद. So औपसर्गिक रोगा, these are the sankramit roga, kushta, jvara, shosha, and these diseases are the karya and karan is the nimitta, that is prasanga. Gatra samsparsha, sparsha se, not following social distancing. निश्वास, सह भोजन, भोजन साथ में कर रहे हैं, सह शय्यासन. So these are the karan, these are the nimitta karan, and these are the upasargik rog. Jvara is also given in this example. So COVID, in COVID, jvara, kushta, shosha. So we can say these bacteria, viruses are the nimitta karan for Vyadhi. In Roga Nirmiti, Samavai Karan is Vikrut Dosh, Asamavai Karan is Dosha Tushya Sammurchana, and Nimitta Karan is Apathyakar Ahara Vihara. Second example, in Aushadha Nirmiti, Samavai Karan, whatever medicine we are preparing, the basic contents of that medicine is Samvai Karan. The Sanyog of that medicine, example, we are preparing Trikatu. So Suntha, Maricha, Pipali, these are Samavai Karan. The Sanyog of this Suntha, Maricha, Pipali is Asamavai Karan. And the Rasashala, where we are preparing this medicine, is the Nimitta Karan. So withdrawal of Samavai, that intimate cause, or Asamavai, non-intimate cause, result into destruction of effect. If we withdraw the cause, effect will destruct. But wherever every after the same with instrumental cause, effect persists. So we will go. Karan we have seen in detail. What is the definition of Karan? What are the types of Karan? Samavai Karan, Asamavai Karan, and Nimitta Karan. We have seen the three characteristics of Karan which should be present for it is said to be Karan. Ananyatha Siddha, Purvavrutti, and what is the third one?
Purvavrutti, ma'am.
Purvavrutti and Niyat. Third is Niyatatva. So these characteristics should be present in the Karan. So now we will go, we will see the karya. What is karya? Karya is karyam prak abhava pratiyogi. Non-existence of a substance above. And the thing which accomplishes this above is karya. कार्य के उत्पत्ति के पहले उसका जो अभाव होता है और उसका एग्जिस्टेंस होना इस कार्य. कार्यम तद अभिनिवृत्तिम अभिसंधाय कर्ता प्रवर्तते. This definition is given by Charak. We will see this definition in detail afterwards. So karyam prak abhava pratiyogi. Non-existence of a substance is prabhav, and the thing which accomplishes this abhav is karya. According to Karyakaran Siddhanta, we will see, Charak says, those are only wise who act after proper examination. He has adopted a very pragmatic view. He advocates the proper examination to reach the desired effect. We want to desire, if we want to see a desired effect, we should do of 10 factors. So which are these 10 factors? So ज्ञात्वा ही भाव, ज्ञात्वा ही कारण करण कार्य देश काल प्रवृत्ति उपाय. These are the अभिनिर्वर्तयति अनतिमहता यत्नेन कर्ता. अगर फिजिशियन ये जो 10 फैक्टर्स है उसकी परीक्षा करते हैं तो उसे फल की प्राप्ति होती है. तो व्हाट आर दीज 10 फैक्टर्स? फर्स्ट कारण, cause or doer. Karan is defined as the one who treatment. So Vaidya is responsible for treatment. Tatra karanam karta. What is Karan? Karan is means or equipment. Karan is that which serve as means or equipment for the Karana, door, making effort for performing action. So medicine is the Karan. Vaidya, doctor is Karta. Karan is medicine. Karya yoni. What is Karya yoni? Karya yoni stu saya vikriyama. Karya yoni is that which is converted into action after transformation. So dhatu vaishamya for vyadhi. Karya is that action which doer performance with the objective of accomplishment. So Dhatu Vaishamya is Karya Yoni and Karya is Dhatu Samad Yasya Abhinivrittim Abhisandhaya Karta Pravartate. जिसके लिए प्रवृत्त होता है, जो हमें एक्शन लेना है, धातु साम्य. So it is Karya. Karya Phala. What is Karya Phala? Is action is perform. Establishment of sukha, comfort, happiness and health. Means it is expected outcome, immediate effect. Karya Phala. अभिनिवृत्तिर इष्यते. हम चिकित्सा के लिए प्रवृत्त हुए और हमें जो सुख, कंफर्ट, हैप्पीनेस, it is the result of the immediate result of the action is Karya Phala. Anubandha is that which essentially enjoy karta as after effect of action, good or bad. अनुबंध खलुस तो यत् कर्तार अवश्यम अनुबंधाति. कार्यात उत्पित it may be ashubha or it may be shubha. The long feet of acquired effect. The immediate effect is karya phala and the long term benefit is anubandha. Next is deshastu adhishtanam, place, location or place. It may be aushadha desh or it may be deha desh. Kala, Kal is the one which undergoes transformation, time. Next is pravrutti. Pravrutti is the effort taken for the accomplishment of objective. Pravrutti tu khalu cheshta, actual efforts, actual karya samarambha, sa eva kriya. This is also known as kriya, initiation towards effect, initiation of physician to establish dhatu samya. धातु साम्य करने के लिए whatever initiation have is pravrutti. Upay, means of successful management. It is complex skill of combining karta, karana and karya. Karya yoni, to achieve the favorable effect. In Ayurveda, it's good physician, good quality of medicines and non-complicated pathology. Successful management. So in short, we will say Karana is in Dashavidha Pariksha Bhav. Karana is Vaid, Karana is Aushadha, Karya Yoni is Dhatu Vaishamya, Karya is Dhatu Samya, Prapti, if Dhatu Samya, we achieve Dhatu Samya. Anubandha is Ayushya Prapti. Yeah. What is Desh? It is divided into Deha Desh and Bhumi Desh. And what is Kal? Kal is again divided into Vidha Pariksha Bhav given by Charaka, and for the Chiki, this is the helpful Pariksha Bhav. Karana, Karana, Karya Yoni, Karya, Karya, Anubandha, Pravrutti, Desha, Kala, Upaya. Bhav in Ayurveda. Dirghayu, for if Karya is Dirghayusha, Jnana Prayojan. If Karya is Dhatu Samya, the Karan is Guna Yukta Chatushpad. Karya, the Karan for Vyadhi is Kala Artha Karma Vishama Yog. Arogya is Karya and Kaladi Samyak Yog is Karana. Garbha, Karya, Shadhatu Sanyog is Karana. Pratyaksha Jnana, Karya, Deha Karshan, if Deha Karshan, Krusha, Apatarpan, Shodhan, these are the Karan for Deha Karshana. Bruhan, for Bruhan Karya, Madhura is Karana. Indriya Pe Jai, Indriya Jai, is for Indriya is Sadavrutta Palan. Janapadodvamsa, for Janapadodvamsa, Karana is Vikruta Vayu Jala Desha Kala. These are the example application of Karan Karya in Ayurveda. So Karya Karan Siddha, we can see Karan turns into Karya and that Karya be the Karan for the next Karya. In example, we can see practicing causes of diabetes is Karan for diabetes, and we are continuously practicing that causes, that diabetes into its complications like diabetic retinopathy or diabetic neuropathy. So here cause is and effect is again turned into cause. prameha hetu se causes prameha, and the causes are, we are going to continue that causes and not taking proper treatment, like prameha pidaka. So karan gets converted into karya, also act like karan for the prameha pidaka. सामान कर्म च समवायम च तज्ञात्वा तंत्रोक्तम विधि the karana and dhatu samya kriya च okta tantrasya asya samya. So effect is dhatu samya, and the objective of this dhatu samya, to achieve this dhatu samya, we need 6 karana: samanya, vishesha, guna, dravya, karma and samvaya. So what is षडका? So कारणम इत्युक्तम कारणम. कारण क्या है? सामान्य विशेष सामान्यम च विशेषम च गुणान द्रव्याणि कर्म च समवायम च तज्ञात्वा तंत्रोक्तम विधिमास्थिता. And कार्य धातु साम्य. Now the samanya vishesh siddhanta, the principle of samanya and vishesh. The principle samanya causes increase and the principle vishesh causes decrease. सर्वदा सर्वभावानां सामान्यं वृद्धि कारणं ह्रास हेतु विशेषस्य प्रवृत्तिर उभयस्य तु. If dhatus are getting in kshaya, dhatu kshaya, we use the principle samanya. Samanyena samanyasya vruddhi. So samanya is the cause and samanena samanyasya vruddhi. Vruddhi, dhatu vruddhi is karya. For example, in maunsa kshaya, we are using maunsa. Maunsena maunsasya vruddhi. In rakta kshaya, we are using rakta. Raktena raktasya vruddhi. So what is cause and what is effect? Samanya. Samanya is cause and vruddhi is effect. The ras, for ras, the increased, overnourished. If we want to decrease the fat, we want to decrease med dhatu in obese person. So ras, for ras we use vishesha, the antagonist, opposite gun wale padarth, opposite gun wale dravya we use, and that is vishesha. So ras is the effect and vishesh is the cause. By their application in the body. Samanyam ekatwakaram, visheshatu prutakatvakrut, tulyarthata hi samanyam, visheshastu viparyaya. This is the very important principle which we apply for the treatment. Samanena samanyasya vruddhi, जिसका वृद्धि करना है तो सामान्य यूज करना है, और वृद्धि और क्षय करना है तो विशेष, और जिसका क्षय हुआ है उसे वृद्धि करना है तो सामान्य. In reference, Charak states that adharma is cause for disease and Prayaschitta worship included under Daiva Vyapashray Chikitsa. So adharma is the basic cause, karana for vyadhi, and the treatment for it is chitta or worship. Now, definition of chikitsa and duty of physician is given in Adhyay 16 Charak Sutrastan. Yabhihi kriyabhihi jayante dhatavaha sama सा चिकित्सा विकाराणां कर्म तत् भेषजम स्मृतम। जिस क्रिया से शरीर में धातु साम्य प्रस्थापित होता है वही we have to focus only on धातु साम्य। त्यागात विषम हेतूनाम समानाम च उपसेवनात् न अनुबंध धातवा समा। जो विषम हेतु है, विषम आहार विषम विहार, उसका त्याग करना है और जो सम है उसका अनुबंध करना है। The dhatu vaishya will stop and dhatu samya will be produced. So whatever Vadi sama hetu. Here, according to cause, the treatment is, for example, vata dosh, if shita guna in can see the tremors, kampa, and guru guna of kapha gaurava. So if karma effect according to cause, the treatment. Chalaguna, we will use the sthira gunatmak dravya. If for stambha dravya. Dr. Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Time, is there any time limit or what? Can we go further?
Ma'am, you can continue for another 10 minutes.
Actually, here Karan Karyavad, we have seen the what is Karan, what that is, there are two main Siddhanta, Satkaryavad and Asatkaryavad. So Ayurveda and Satkaryavad is again divided into Parinamvad and Vivarvad. Ayurveda has accepted all the needed doctrines to fulfill the need of particular condition. Ayurveda is not like it is following specifically Asatkaryavad. It is called as Sarva Shastra Parishad, any assembly of different philosophies. Whatever the condition, for the particular condition, if we need Satkaryavad, we apply that Vada. If we need a Satkaryavad, we apply that. Some Parinamvad, there are so many examples of Parimanvad we can see in Ayurveda. So we will see the basic, what is Satkaryavad, what is Asatkaryavad if time permits. Satkaryavad is the theory of Sankhya, pre-existing effect which states already exists in its material cause, Sat, and therefore existence. This theory uses two basic concepts, Sat, Karya. Sat is existence. So for Satkaryavad, there are 5 reasons have been given. Asadakarnat, Upadan Grahanat, Sarva Bhavat, Shaktasya Shakya Karanat, Karana Bhavacha, Satkaryam. What is not cannot be produced. The effect requires a material cause. Not everything arises from everything. The cause produces only what corresponds to its has the natural cause. We will see this by giving examples. Asat Akarnat, non-existent, cannot produce anything which is existence. So for the Garbha Pravrutti, Shukra present, then Garbha Utpatti will not take place. Asad akarnat, कारण कार्य नहीं बनेगा. Shukra and Shonit are present, then only will takes place. Second is Upadan Grahanat, means relevant substance. For Utpatti of Dahi, the Dahi, Dugdha should be there and not water. So substance is required to produce certain relevant effect. For example, for Ahara Pachan, Saman Vayu is required. So Saman Vayu is the Upadan Karan for Ahara Pachan. For Madan Phal is the cause. So Madan Phal is Upadan Karan for Vamana. So third is Sarva Sambhavat. One thing cannot produce everything. Single drug cannot cure all the disease. Only cannot produce Oja. Sarva Sambhav Abhavat. One thing cannot produce everything. The fourth is Shaktasya Shakya Karanat. Ability to produce Karya. Gunayukta Chatushpad are required for Vadhi Prashamana. The potential, the Gunayukta of Chatushpad have potential to Prashama Vyadhi. And last is Karana Bhavat. Karya bears the nature from where it is produced. Karna Nurup Karya. Guru Snigdahar causes Kapha Vruddhi, which further leads to Kapha Pradhan Vyadhi. For example, obesity. Karana Bhavat. The Karan Anurup factors which has been given to prove the Satkaryavad. So in Satkaryavad, cause exists in Karya. Existence. Sat means existence. Existence of Karan in Karya. So these are the application of Satkaryavad in Ayurveda. Na ankurutpattir bijat abhijat karma sadrush because of seed. The result always corresponds to the action, and seed cannot bring out heterogeneous product. कारण अनुरूपम कार्य इति कृत्वा सर्व एव इते विशेषः सत्व रज तमो मया. Prakriti is, and when this samyavastha imbalance happens, the started. So sattva raja tama is present. Next forms in the of the Srushti, that is in the Vikruti. Well, third application of Satkaryavad is Shukra Shonita Sanyoge. Ayurveda. This is this one. This example is from Sharistan. Garbha Vikruti. For Garbha Vikruti, Bija Dushti, Bija Bhaga Dushti, Bija Bhaga Avayo Dushti, congenital abnormalities. Yasya Yasyang of Shukra or Shonita, which acts as seed for some specific human bodily parts, gets vitiated. Specific body part will. So, if डिफॉर्म बीज दुष्टि, बीज में ही दुष्टि है, शुक्र और शोणित में ही दुष्टि है, तो बीज भाग दुष्ट होता है और बीज भाग अवयव दुष्ट होता है. That organs is damaged and the damaged seed can give rise to damaged organ only. This is से सद निर्माण होता है. तो फिलॉसफी न्याय वैशेषिक एक्सेप्ट्स आरंभवाद. दैट कॉन्ट्ररी तो सत्कार्यवाद. आरंभ न्यू बिगिनिंग. Exists earlier. Effect does not exist prior to its production. Satkaryavad says effect exists prior. Non-existence of the effect in its existence. This, however, does not mean that effect arise out of nothing. What is emphasis is effect and cause is distinct. So thread is the cause and cloth is the karya. So thread is distinct thing and cloth is a distinct thing. Between cloth and thread. And if they are treated as an identical entity, why we wear thread? Why we wear cloth? So these are two distinct. Cause is distinct and the is the Vikruti Visham Samavaya Samayog Siddhanta. That is, when two factors are combined, they use to commence a very aligned or unknown factor, which are not, for example, honey and ghee. Ghee, both are nutrients combined in equal proportion. The formulation becomes poisonous, harmful. The next second example is both are nutritious, but if they are giving in combination, it is harmful, it is poisonous. So this is the example of Arambhavad or Vikruti Visham Samvai Sanyog. Symptoms of disease due to the vitiation of 2 or 3 doshas may differ from the qualities of causative doshas. Jwara, Sannipata Jwara, these are the Arambhavad. Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravya, the Dravya which is not according to its Rasa Virya Vipak is Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravya. Vivechak, Chitrak, Vichitra due to Vichitra Pratyarabdha. And Chitrak is Saman Pratyarabdha. It is Grahi. Or we can see the example of Godum and Yava. Godum is sweet and heavy, so it is Vatahara. Yava is Vatakara. Although it is sweet and heavy, it is Vatakara. So these are some examples of Vichitra Pratyarabdha. The Dravya which is not acting according to its Rasa Virya Vipak, and the which is acting according to Rasa Virya Vipak is called Sam Pratyarabdha Dravya. So these are the examples of Viruddhahar, Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravya. These are the examples of Arambhavad. Examples are given in the Madhav Nidan, that some dravyas like Sidhu. Sidhu, if someone Ruksha Guna increases, if someone is taking Kandekshu, Ruksha and Tanduliya, Ruksha, Shita and Laghu. Same in Pittakara Dravya, Til increases Ushna Guna. Dipyak will increase Ushna and Tiksha. Hingu Katu, Ushna, Tikshna, and someone is taking madhya, alcohol, madhyapan, then all these good will increase and lead to the disease. Ushna, Tikshna, Lagu. This is the general example for if cause changes, the effect changes, will also changes. So we have seen Satkaryavad. Satkaryavad, according to Karan exists in Karya, and we have seen the 5 factors of Satkaryavad, and a Satkaryavad new thing, Arambhavad, Viruddhahar and Vichitra Pradyarabdha Dravya are the examples of Arambhavad in Ayurveda. See, whatever what we are doing in our department and my PG students, cause effect in the sense of cause effect theory, doing that is the assessment of Gaveduk and Yava on adipogenic differentiation. That is, we know Gaveduk is also Karshaniya. So cause is Gaveduk and Yava and Karshan is Karya. But we are going to see it at the cellular line on the stem cell, whether it enhances adipogenesis or it inhibits. Our hypothesis. So this project is going, I am the principal investigator of this project and my colleague is co-investigator. Stem cell lab in our DPU institute, and we are doing this. Dadimadi growth in the cancer post chemotherapy induced anemia. So Dadimadi growth is the best useful in Pandu. So it is Pandu Hara. So this is the Karan, Dadimadi growth, and Karya is the Pandu. So Kashmari, one more project is going on Kashmari Dravya. So it is produces osteogenic effect or not. And this Verambu, Shrunga, it is said in Dinacharya, Rutucharya that Shrunga Verambu should be consumed in the water. So Shrunga Siddha Jala, we have seen the effect of this Sunti Siddha Jala on Kafaja Prakopa Vyadhi in Vasanta Rutu, whether it decreases Kapha Prakopak Lakshan or not. So these are some projects we are doing where we can prove the cause-effect theory. So cause-effect theory is applicable for all the sciences, for all the philosophies. It is the theory. It is the mother of all the principles. It is the backbone of all the principles. So last one, with health, one can achieve Chaturvida Purushartha. So health has been considered as a cause to attain Chaturvida Purushartha, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So cause is health and effect is Chaturvida Purushartha. Here we will finished. I have finished my sharing my thoughts on the Karya Karan Bhav Siddhanta with its conceptual to clinical aspect. I hope understood little. I don't know what.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the opinion of students? Have they understood the concept or example? What?
Yes, ma'am. Now the question and session will be open. We will come to know by that.
Okay.
Deepti?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving such an informative presentation. So, guys, if you have any doubts or question, ma'am, to you, please go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. First example, Karana is the Stri Bijava Purusha Bija and
Yeah.
Karya is the Garbha.
Ah.
Ma'am, the Karya is the Garbha. Karya should be the fetus, na ma'am, and Garbha should be Desha, ma'am.
Fetus is the Garbha. Fetus. Garbha is fetus.
Like, ma'am, Garbha, how we tell as it's a covering of the fetus, na ma'am.
No. Garbha is fetus, synonym for fetus. In Ayurveda, for fetus, Garbha word is used.
Okay, ma'am.
So healthy sperm and healthy ovum. These are the Karan, and the fetus is the Karya.
Like in modern perspective, we will differentiate. Na ma'am, fetus is the different and the womb is the different.
Womb. What is the difference between fetus? Basic reason. What is the Samvai Karan? Basic reason. The Karya, some basic unita, sperm and ovum to form the Garbha.
Okay, ma'am.
And the Sanyog of Shukra and Shonita is the Asamvai Karan.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you told no, ma'am, and milk
Grita.
and
Yes.
honey
Yes.
and milk and the other things like fish and milk and other
Ushna and
things like
Shita. Ushnavirya and Shitavirya. It will hazardous to health.
hazardous
Will
to
not
health in the sense will it
Visha, Vishakari, or whatever the effect of Viruddha Ahar, it will act Viruddha Ahar. And the
ma'am,
effects,
but if both are taken in like balanced quantities, then it
taken it together, yeah, at the same time, if
yes,
we
ma'am.
you are taking milk and this is happening again and again, you are taking continuously Visarpa, Andyatva, so
Ma'am,
it
only
should
when
be
if it is
avoided.
taken, only when if it is
If
taken
you are
again and
taking
again.
fish, then same time you don't take milk.
Ma'am, but there is a this is a myth, no,
This is
ma'am.
the combination of Ushnavirya and Shitavirya, and together like Visha. They are
So both have fish and milk both have
if you are
proteinaceous
taking it
quantity.
separately, you are taking as a milk for nourishment separately, and you are taking fish separately. It is nutritious. Dahar. And its effect is not good.
Okay, ma'am.
If you taking it separately, doodh as a separately and fish, both are nutritious.
Separately in the sense after eating fish we should
combination of Viruddha.
वो भी
Separately
कॉम्बिनेशन ही है
no
मैम
same
बट
day. हाँ.
टाइम्स
Same meal you
articles
should not take. In the same meal you should not take both things together.
बट कुछ पेपर न्यूज़पेपर्स में आर्टिकल्स आया है कि ये दोनों ले सकते हैं और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बट कम दोनों में बैलेंस
So,
होना चाहिए करके
according to Ayurveda, what Ayurveda says, we should follow what is came in the newspaper. You just give the answer for that. What is the effect of Viruddha?
Ma'am, the question fish is also proteinaceous and milk is also proteinaceous. We should not combine both of them in extra quantities and eat because protein inside the body which our body cannot handle it. So that
Okay,
so
according
if
to
it
them, they have given the reason. We have the another reason in our Samhitas.
okay, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the reason, ma'am? Then is this the only reason?
Both are, they align factor. They are forming the align factor, unknown factor. They are acting Shita. We are giving Shita Virya and Ushna Virya together. So they are following the unknown factor in the body and which is acting like a poison. So we need to
Okay,
do
ma'am.
such. Yes. Any other?
Please come forward. Otherwise, we'll move to the next segment, the end of the session. I guess there are no doubts. So now let's move to the end of the session. I welcome Dr. of Department of Samhita Siddhanta to give the vote of thanks.
Should I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, good afternoon, Vanna. To end this seminar with a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank for accepting a presentation today where the students have asked their doubts and they have been clarified. I lecturer with us today.
Thank you all for
Yes,
giving me opportunity to share my thoughts here.
Thank our principal ma'am, who is the force behind all the webinars what we are conducting. Actually, she was planning to join today, but because of some busy schedule, she couldn't. But she conveyed her regards to Dr. Sheetal Rasne ma'am. And I also thank our HOD, Dr. Anand Kati sir, for choosing a beautiful presenter on Karna Siddhanta. I also thank who is our staff who will be always with us in all the webinars and webinar grand success. I thank Deepthi for beautiful anchoring. I thank Sushmita for beautiful prayer. And I also thank each and everyone who are present in this webinar to make it a grand. And lastly, I would also thank Chaitra for being with us in recording this session. Thank you. Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am. Arranging this such a beautiful presentation for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Megha, Dr. Katti sir, and the principal madam, Dr. Ahalya madam. Thank you for giving me opportunity for this presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.